Hello students, in today's video we are going to discuss about module 5, that is technological environment. Now before studying technological environment, first let us understand what is technology. Technology is nothing but the skills, knowledge, procedure of making things systematically and scientifically. It is application of science to produce goods and services. Now technology can be anything that makes our work easy. Okay, for each and everything nowadays technology is being used, and without technology human being cannot imagine doing things, because technology has helped us to do our work easily, quickly, efficiently, and it also helps to save time. Now for example, earlier the roads were not in good condition. Okay, we had kacha roads, but now with the usage of technology we are in position to develop good roads of mortar. So these roads, when they are constructed in highway, they are helping us to travel easily from one place to another. Similarly, with the use of technology we have developed railways, then we have developed airways, waterways, so we can easily travel not just from one city to another city or from one state to another state. We can also travel across different countries very quickly with the help of airways. So this is all possible because of technology, and technology always keeps on changing. Technology is not static in nature, it is dynamic in nature. Technology keeps on developing, and it is very important to update ourselves with the technology. As we get updated with the technology, the way of doing things become easy, simpler, and quicker. Now another example we can take of banks, wherein earlier people used to stand in huge queues and they used to wait for their turn and then do their banking transaction. But with the usage of technology, now we can transfer funds sitting at our home via internet banking. Earlier people used to draw checks to withdraw money from the banks. Now you can just stop at the nearby ATM and withdraw any amount of cash that you want. And now it has become even simpler. You can transfer funds even using various applications. So technology is making all the tasks easy for us. No doubt there are advantages and disadvantages of technology, but if you utilize the technology in better manner, it can be more advantageous rather than the limitations of technology. So it becomes very important for a business to understand what is this new technology and adopt in the business. Now let us understand what is technological environment. Now technological environment refers to the state of science and technology in the country and related aspects such as rate of technological progress, institutional arrangements for development and application of technology. So basically technological environment is making us aware of the new technology that is into existence in the nation. Now we know that developed countries are developed only because of the technology that they are using. Okay, these nations like UK, USA, Germany, Japan, etc., all are industrialized nations, and these nations are making use of advanced technology. The use of technology in these countries is not limited only to industries but also to agriculture and service industries, that is other sectors of the economy also make use of technology. And because of this they are able to succeed not only in one sector but in all sector, and it has helped them to have have reached the stage of a developed country, right? And the business which makes use of latest plants machinery in their business, they are successful in increasing productivity in production process. Not just that, technology cannot be limited only to one process or to another. In all the aspects of the business we can make use of technology. Just like for the production process we can make use of latest machines, or we can make use of robots wherever possible, wherein it will be easy for us to do our task easily and we will require less manpower, rather than machines can do the work which is required. Then when it comes to marketing the products, we can make use of technology. We can make use of technology and make people aware of the products. We can advertise our products on television, on internet, billboards, and now we have got various applications wherein it has become very easy for a person to do business. So there also technology can be applied. Not just that, even during COVID, when certain companies were in need of new employees, so interviews also were taken on online. So there also technology is was used. So like this, technology is playing very important role in all the aspects of life. So similarly, technology is also required for the business. So any business who is upgrading the technology will be able to survive in the market, and the business organization which does not upgrade itself with the changing technology, then the business house will have dangerous situation wherein company is not able to meet the expectations of customers, and so the business might have to be shut down. So like this, it is very important for a business organization to upgrade its technology as and when it is changing. So it is important to understand technological environment and make the changes accordingly in the business. So in the further videos we will discuss in detail about all the aspects of technological environment. With this, I conclude for today. Thank you.